Oriental Rug Care. Look at this beautiful antique Tabriz rug. Oh my God, so beautiful. We just put this new silk fringe on it. Miss Evelyn's going to knot it today. And did you get the other side done already?
No.
Then she'll work on the other side. So if you're looking to refringe your rugs, repairs, let us know. We're Oriental Rug Care. We want to make you happy. Miss Evelyn, once you wait to our customers, there we go. We'll do it with pride. OrientalRugCare.com.